These Fortnite players are going to show us exactly why we call them pros. Like and subscribe to the channel right now, and you will be joining me on this beach.
Oh, we got it!
No, I found minis out. Let's go.
I'm bored. Boat. Guy T-pose on a boat. Watch this. Kobe. Oh! Oh!
Nice. Agent Smith down. Is someone still driving?
Yeah, one alive.
Branch he was on gets knocked out as his opponent is actually getting pinched from the back. Ghoul gets knocked down. The thirst there. Saf picking up just enough HP, 50 there to stay alive in the storm, but it's ticking away.
He's got no builds.
10 HP per tick, Jack. He's got to push in and stay ahead of this thing if he wants to stay on his game.
And this is key here. The next player who dies falls just on the outside of the skirt. There you go. Base Soldier gets knocked and eliminated. You see 6 teams remaining. Whoever winds up getting dropped next, there's a placement point. Another one! Oh my, Saf now with 5 limbs, and he's earned his team another point as well for placement. Saf continues to do it. He's dropping him down. Saf with another. Oh my god! Oh my god!
All right, good luck. Dude. Trying to give you assistance from back here. Knock. Oh, pull it. Tim, get him.
Where's the last guy?
He's still up there. He's still up.
He's got slow.
Spam me. I don't have a good angle at all. I have no mats to go up at all.
I have mats. Come here. Split.
Hurry.
We can go up.
Yeah, you have to go up. They're spamming me now. You have to find an angle. Try dropping them.
I got height. Use your advantage. Both on me. I'm up. They're both below me. I'm just flooring them off. Let's go, coach. Let's go, dude.
When I saw that block by me, the no mat player, it's absolutely insane. Juke's coming out, rushes up. Oh my god, we're actually alive.
Brown eyes.
Oh god.
What are they doing?
Nitro versus Aragonist.
He's testing his might. He's gonna drop down a little bit. Get closer.
Dude, if he can create a small opening here, he can actually send him.
Oh!
No way.
No way! What?
Oh my!
Oh my god, my game froze! My game froze and I'm out of mats! Oh!
Nice, you have mats.
Do I go for it, Mega?
You have to go for it. It laser him before you go. Like,
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! There's no fucking way!
Ooh. I just hit him.
Oh! Oh!
Let's go, dude!
Yeah, I'm chilling under this metal ramp here. I don't know.
Lasered one? We knocked one.
I'm gonna try working on it.
Knocked another. Last one's on me. Or knock 3.
Oh, he's really low. Cracked on me.
Got him
Nice.
off.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
6.
no shield.
If you have impulsive, bro, I trust you. Do you want impulse?
Oh!
Going for it.
Oh my god!
Oh, go! Oh, yo, it's so bad. He's coming up! He's coming up! Ah! Ah! Yeah!
What is this? I'm gonna go for trap kills on every one of them, chat. Dark Tiefin.
Purple tag.
I got a heavy snipe.
Okay.
Honestly.
Imagine you hit that.
I'm gonna hit it. Ready?
Yeah.
I knocked him.
No way. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Can you finish or no?
No.
I don't have mats to build at you, so can we just like do a snipe battle here? But let me win. Watch this. He's gonna think I have to reload. Ready? Called it.
Easy shot, I keep missing.
Down 2 of them.
Woo!
Double bolt, dude.
Dude! What?
The best West player in the world!
You ready? Go in. Yeah, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. I'm gonna pickaxe you. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Sorry about that. Yeah, GG's, GG's only. Oh, what's going on, man? GG's, GG's, GG's. Yeah, someone's behind me. What's up, bitch, man? GG's, GG's, GG's. Yep, GG's, GG's, GG's. GG's, GG's. GG's only, GG's.
Who needs a ball? Not me! Not me!
What? Oh, no way, dude.
This guy just got fucking worked.
I'm trying to heal up. I'm by myself, but I have a lot of builds.
Survive. You got top 5. Just go for kill now. You have 1 health.
Nice! Really not too useful this far into the game. So yes, great. An 18 rocket grenade launcher, but now finds a shot.
Is the person who will make it work. He is so innovative.
What?
And he takes out Mitro. This is what I was talking about.
No
that
way.
matters. Sad Aqua. This game was stacked with players who were 100% in the running for qualification. He just took out Mitro and Aqua back to back, now top 4.
Folks, you might be witnessing live why Mr. Savage qualifies this week for a trip to the World Cup Finals in New York.
On the back of Zextro, and you can see trying to not crouch, wants to avoid doing that. Is he able to fight it? He gets angled, but he gets sent down. Will he be able to get back
something?
Pop a bandage! Pop a bandage! Zextro, pop a bandage! Son, please!
Wait, don't forget he has the double eliminations for the Sypher. It's gonna come through. Agro goes down. Uzi goes down. 1 HP. Sun down! Sun down! What? 1 HP, Zextro, you god!
You have a launch pad.
know if you can do it.
They're all in the.
You about to get your finishes?
Yeah.
Yep.
You're gonna get your other one. You're gonna stuck to stay alive.
Let's go, dude. I'm so good.
I'm sorry for anything I said about the grenade launcher, because apparently he's using it perfectly and making me look like an idiot. Mr. Savage M. Building on up, 22 builds remaining. The spray comes in a 72 tag, another elimination. Now 8 elims this game. They've got to go up the side of a mountain, and it's Shadow Bomb time. Look at how awkward this is. He's getting completely blocked then out. He's deciding to take storm damage. Yes. Mr. Savage! Oh
No
my
way!
God!
You did not!
Oh my God! Bye! Bye! It's Leah win! Come here, boy! You want a team in my game, homie? You want a team in my game? Ah! Get the fuck out of here! Cheating sack of shit! Who's next? Bye! Who's next?
Progressive, just rush everyone. Never be scared to engage. Just look at these guys in here. They think they're good. Boom, you just got trapped. Now what are you gonna do? I'm gonna edit that. Boom. Like you're dead. Look at this guy. He thinks he's cool. Coming up his ramp. Boom. Laser. Boom. Dead. Teaming that slurp. Let me pick this up. Oh, I'm getting rushed on. Oh! Boom, boom. Cone him. Boom. Build over. Oh, get sprayed. Not what I want. Build a border floor. Boom. Laser. Boom, boom, boom. Edit. Boom. Dead.
Wait for the other guy to bleed out. Nice pump. Oh, it's not 1v1v1. You're gonna need dig. Hold on. Nice! Coach is nuts on Nate.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, I think you should. Yeah.
This guy hit you by other nades. Oh my God. Yeah, that's really on.
Hit one of them.
Timing. And it's cool. It's cool.
Oh, I'm gonna snipe somebody.
Yeah, I don't think we should spray. We're so cheating our boy.
I got one.
You guys are popping up in here.
This is so crazy. This guy's gonna open the edit and I'm gonna pump him.
These bushes are really dumb. I don't like this.
Oh, come on. I got another one.
Dude, he just... I love this. The ultimate soccer skin. He's doing the ultimate soccer skin. Dude, he's popping off. He's popping off. He's...
He's just breaking it up though. He's not even really fighting players. Oh, this player's gonna get it.
Oh, poor
there
thing.
it is.
Oh, that
That's
was
all
Predator.
him.
No, you're not the Predator, bud. He is. Psalm is the Predator. Another one's going to be right in front of him. Some defense coming through here, but what are you going to be able to do when you're just cutting through the structures and Uzi falls to the Infinity Blade?
There it is. See, he's looking to break the structures that are connecting these high ground players so he can pick up more elims too from the fall damage.
Gonna get another one here. He's gonna be trapped inside of the storm, though.
Doesn't matter. He can jump anywhere he needs to be right now.
Gets
He catches
another
someone
elimination.
else.
He's on a killing spree. Oh
crushing
my
players.
word! He has
There's
picked up
another one.
8 eliminations,
Oh
10
my gosh.
eliminations. It doesn't matter anymore. This is Psalm's world, and we are just merely living in it.
Oh, the guy fell.
That's
They're all
number
just
11.
falling.
Because he's creating so much carnage.
Here's
He's creating so
another
much
one.
carnage. He got another one. Bizzle.
So good.
3 of these. Oh, right in front of me. Last three.
How far are you? Okay.
Got one. Got 2. Got 'em all. Next to me. Got 'em all. Let's go, dude.
Oh my god!
Do we win?
Me, he's out my body.
I'm out of mats. Gotta go low.
I'm out of mats. I'm out of
One
heals.
shot. Got one.
They got one. Oh, that was good, bro.
On me.
I'm nuts.
Oh, Nate.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I just double body shot that guy up there.
Forever.
Yeah. What was he, Ghoul?
Oh. Oh. Oh no. Not me. Go! Yeah!
Whoa!